Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to set up a vivid screen color mode in our Samsung Galaxy A55. Where to look for screen modes and how to change them. So first of all we need to go to our settings, then under display we have screen mode. We have now selected a natural color screen mode, and we can change to our vivid mode right here. Natural mode is, as you can see, natural. Vivid we can change however we want. We can use warmer colors, colder colors. We have we can go to our advanced settings to change our white balance. If we need to, we can also change the vividness of our colors right here too. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a good day and see you in the next video. Bye.